Hi and welcome to Hymas Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Aunt Sue's homemade granola. It's full of nuts and grains and delicious goodness, and it also has no refined sugars, so it's definitely on the healthier side of granola if that's what you're looking for. This is probably the only bowl that I'm going to get because my kids love it and tend to inhale it. First, you're going to take 5 cups of oatmeal. These are quick oats. And we're going to add 1 cup of Rice Krispies. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup each. This is ground flaxseed, chopped almonds, unsweetened coconut, and craisins. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup each. This is ground chia seeds so that they don't get stuck in your teeth, and sesame seeds. We're also going to add a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds and a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. I'm going to give this a good mix to help get all these ingredients spread around. Okay, to this, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, that cinnamon. And again, I'm going to give this a stir to try to mix everything and spread it out. Okay, now we're going to add 1/2 cup of coconut oil. We've melted this in the microwave, about 30 to 60 seconds on power high, and 1 cup of honey. Now we're going to mix this thoroughly. Should be a pretty good indicator when you see a good distribution of all the ingredients and when you don't pull up any more dry ingredients. When you're pulling up from the bottom. All right. Move everything out of the way. And now I have 2 cookie sheets that I've lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to divide this granola in half. So we can spread that out. This will just help us with the baking process. It looks like I got a little bit more granola on this sheet, so I'm just going to redistribute that. Now we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and then we're going to pull it out of the oven, and as it cools it does tend to harden, and so you're going to want to break up those chunks. If you like it chunkier, then you can go ahead and leave it in small chunks, or you can crumble it up if you like it completely separated out. While your granola is cooking, you are going to want to stir it occasionally, just to make sure that everything gets evenly cooked. When your granola is finished, it's going to come out with this beautiful golden brown. If you continue to occasionally stir your granola while it's cooling down, that will help prevent it from hardening into big clumps. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at highnessfamilyfavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.